Hello everybody, so today I will talk about probability. The topic today is about how to find probability in the selecting the bonds. Here is about the question. There are 3 red bonds, 4 blue bonds and 5 yellow bonds. A person selects 4 bonds. What is the probability to select the bonds that in all 4 bonds should have 3 kinds of color? It means that we need to have red, blue and yellow in the 4 bonds in here. First, we need to find how many bonds in here. That's about 3 plus 4 plus 5, and we got about 12 bonds in here. Now we need to find total how many select the bonds in here. So we do about C. C is about combination, and we select 4 bonds in 12, and in here we have the formula 12 factorial with form factorial, and we have 12 minus 4 factorial, and we calculate this number and we got about 495 ways. That is the first step. And the second step, we know that we need to select 4 bonds and we get to all kind of color in here. That's about red, blue and yellow. So we have 3 big ways to select. That's about 1 red, 1 blue, 2 yellow. And the next one, 1 red, 2 blue and 1 yellow. Next we have 2 red, 1 blue, 1 yellow, and we calculate in the 1 red, 1 blue, 2 yellow. We have the factorial, we have combination in here. We have 1 red, so we have 1 and 3, then we multiply with the next one, combination 1 blue with 4, combination 2 yellow, that's about 5, we multiply together, and we got about 120 ways. The next one similar to now we change to 2 and this one is 1. And we got about 90 ways. Next one, we have 60 ways. And then we calculate probability. We sum all the number together, divide to the total way to select. That's about 495 ways, and we get about the answer That's about 0.5454 or 54.54%. So that's the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.